Welcome back everybody. So in this video we are going to be turning a small vase from ash with a live edge on it. We're going to be starting using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools to get it round to shape. Okay, so now we'll switch to the mid-size rougher. Taking the bottom off there and started to create the tenon. Just quickly refining the shape and once again going back to the tenon, getting it down to final size. And going into the detailer just so it matches the angle of the claws and taking the little nubbin off the bottom. And there you go. Alright, so I've done most of the sanding, so we're just going to do a little bit of sanding here with 240 grit. This is from Cling Spore abrasives. A little bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. Alright, so now we've got it flipped round in the chuck and we're going to drill out with a Forstner bit. Boom. Alright, now it's time to do a bit of hollowing, so we're going to start with the #1 hollower. Through the hollowing process you see me take the tool away and then go back in and start hollowing again. So the first time I took it away it didn't match the shape of the outside, so I went back in and matched the shape, and then the second time it didn't match the thickness that I wanted, so I went back in and brought it down to thickness, and I eventually got to where I wanted it to be. So yeah, took a couple of times but got there. There you go, there was the first time it didn't match. Here's the second time because the walls were a little bit too thick still. And there we go. Let it compress there. Double check the thickness. Yep, we're good. Tail stop, or tool rest I should say, and we're going to do a bit of sanding with some 400 grit. Alright, so we've got the Dremel Versa Flame here. Going to do a bit of scorching to highlight some of that grain. And a bit slow to start off with. I didn't have the valve open on the Versa Flame to start off with, but as soon as I got that sorted, it went fast. Powerful little burner. This is really, really good. There you go. There you go, some 400 grit from Queenspore Abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clear out any sawdust out of the grain and obviously clear out any soot from the scorching. And some Danish oil from Hampshire Sheen. Slow-mo. If anybody's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products, there is a link down in the description. This is my last video of 2023. I wish everybody a great 2024. As of January, I will be moving my premieres from a Sunday to a Monday to 7 PM UK time. If everybody would like to give a big old thumbs up on this video, share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to your enemies if you like. And until next year, I shall see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.